Oh, good morning, everybody. Look where that sun is. Yeah, it's December, late in December, when I'm filming this. Cold out, yes it is. But you guys know I've been wanting one of these for a while. And I didn't have the money, because I wanted to get one that would last me. I'm trying to buy everything that lasts me the rest of my life. At my age, that ain't very long, but you know, I want good stuff. So I picked this up. That's what it was, list price on it at a Tractor Supply place. I don't know if you guys have them. Everybody has them, different ones. But I got this one on sale, 10% off. So I picked it up. And I got to thank everybody out there. Without you guys, that's where I got the money. I've been saving my YouTube money, which it takes a while, but that's okay. It's from you guys. So from all you guys that watch my channel, click on all them commercials and go through that crap, which there's too many commercials on there now. Thank you very much. I couldn't get that without you guys. So I'm not gonna fire it up in this video. I'm gonna show you about it, tell you about it, and as you can see, it's a Simpson 3300 PSI. Water intake. It's got a 2-year warranty and a 5-year on the frame. It's a good rig, as long as you take maintenance on it. So that's why I'm not going to fire it up now. I'm not going to be using it, so I'm going to leave it dry. I'm not putting no gas or oil in it until spring, or till we get back from our next adventure. And if the RV's filthy, I'll pull her out then. But right now I can keep it in the unheated garage because it won't have nothing in it. But it's got the Honda motor, which I wanted. It's 190 inch something or other, whatever that means. It says it's a 190. I doubt if it's 190 cubic inch. Well, who knows? Probably CC. And there's your model number right there. It came with it's got all the attachments here you need. So anyway, that's it. And once again, I'm thanking all you YouTube subscribers and my Patreon guys. You know, you see that going along there somewhere. Thank you guys. But let's go check and see what comes with it and describe it a little bit. Well, there's not much to it. You pull it out of the box. It came with wrapped up in you know, stuff. And here we got it put together right here. Let's get over here. Notice we got her filled up in the old shed pretty good. Still got room to walk around. That's one thing I did do, is I bought one big enough to hold my stuff. Well, a lot of this isn't in here in the summertime. But here it is right there. Comes with some oil. I've taped the oil onto this thing right here so nobody comes in here and grabs that and think that's ready to go. It ain't. The oil's right there. Put your gas in right here. How you start it is you got more or less a choke thing. I forget what they call it. They call it it's a choke. You pull it out, pull the handle just like a lawnmower, you know, right down there. And it starts. That's it. It's a motor. It's a Honda, which is what I wanted, so it won't hang on. I had to stop right there in the middle. Somebody's trying to call me. Yeah, Honda motor will last me a long time. I got another old one over there somewhere that broke. It's tucked away somewhere. And what happened was when we were traveling, I left it at my nephew's, and I think he tried to use it, put water in it, and then set it outside for the winter. Well, it don't work no more. Anyway, that's okay. So this comes with a hose. You just screw it right on there. Now down here, right there, that's where you put your water hose. Now this little gadget right here, that will hook onto that's for your soap. You drop that down into the soap. Let's see if I can see that. Right there, if you can see it. No telling if you can or not. I'm upside down. Well, you hook that into your soap. dropped the camera trying to get that shot for you. So I don't know what we missed. Hopefully we got it all. That's all about the motor, how to start it. There's your pump. I wanted one with the pump sticking out, not down. The other one I had was down, and it's broke anyway. So you can change these if they break them. If you're stupid and you leave water in them, you'll break them. And that you can change these. You can also rebuild this part on this system. That's why I wanted this one. Let's see. So that's your pump. It's easy to do. There's your oil filter right there. Then you also got an oil drain over here. See if we can do this without dropping the camera. You got an oil drain right here. You see it? There it is. Then you can drain that oil and it goes down there, put a bucket underneath it. That's how you service that. So let's get back up here. Up on the top here, you got these nozzles. Now, I've not used none of this. I've just been doing my research. So, you know, take it for what it is. I'm just telling you what I've researched. This one's for your soap. These just clip right in the end of your... I dropped it. That's the gun that comes with it, right there. And so it's a nice quality gun. And hopefully I don't drop the camera again and shut it off. So that'll work great. See right there? Just like an air fitting. These drop right in there like so. That's for soap. Low pressure, just blobs the soap right on. Then you got these two here. Them are good for washing your cars and your wood and stuff. The higher pressure you get on these things, you can see the little holes there. That one there, that'll take your hide off. With 33 pounds of pressure coming out like that, that'll take your hide off. You don't want to use that one on wood or anything you find precious. Now, I'll be using one of them two, maybe, I don't know, till I try. If I get some oil or something up on them and I need to spray it off, I could use that. But it's good. You got to be careful. That's high pressure. So, this is what we got. Like I said, it's Simpson. Haven't even got all the wrapping off of it, but Simpson. I think it's going to be really good. I want you to stay tuned because this spring or when we get back, I'm going to use that and I'll give you a demonstration how it works. I'm positive it's going to work great. I mean, all the research. I didn't want a Briggs & Stratton motor. Didn't want them other motors. But if you take care of any motor, it will last. Just don't leave it at your nephew's. Okay? That's going to be it for now. Hope you had a happy holidays. I sure did. Thanks to you guys. Thanks, every one of you, for following and subscribing to my channel. Let's see what we got going on next. Thank you, boys and girls.
Sally used to carry my books to school. Sally was a good old girl. Helped me with my homework cause I was a fool. Sally was a good old girl. If you wanted just a kiss or a little bitty squeeze, she was always